Alright. Come aboard. Oop. Look at the angle of that. Sorry about that. Had you guys looking up in the sky.
4463 Greensboro ground.
A little breezy today.
We're pushing up.
Permits for turbulence.
Number 4463, push your discretion. Ramp is uncontrolled. I'll get you
So we'll see. Hopefully not too bad at altitude. Hopefully when we level off it's not too bad.
7643 Golf at the MRO, ready to taxi.
Number 7643 Golf, runway 5 left, taxi via Delta Hotel.
5 left via Delta Hotel for the Golf.
He's gonna have his hands full in a 172 with the wind.
Legion 1060.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys, the windsock standing straight out. Alright, we're going to put our departure frequency in the standby, 26.6, we're on 19.1. We've already done our run-up. Greensboro Tower, Baron 683 Delta Delta is ready to go, 5 right.
November 683 Delta Delta Greensboro Tower, turn right heading 090, runway 5 right, wind 010 at 13, clear for takeoff.
Okay, right to 090, clear for takeoff, 5 right, 683 Delta Delta. Oh, my baby's still out on the ramp, I think. Yep. See her over there. See her at the service center. Well, they know baby needs to be inside. It's too chilly for her to be sitting out here. Alright, here we go. Power's coming up. Power is set. Everything's in the green. We'll put a little left aileron for the wind. Airspeed's alive. Everything looking good. Rate gear coming out, lights off. Y'all damp on. Get to 400 feet, we will turn right to 090. There's our altitude. Right to 090. I'm going to turn these down.
November 683 Delta Delta, contact departure.
Go over to departure, 3 Delta Delta, good day. Greensboro departure, Baron 683 Delta Delta is 1700, climbing 3000, 090 on the heading.
Number 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6000.
6000, 3 Delta Delta. Right. Oh, you hear my voice all the bumpy. Alright, power set. We'll keep climbing at 700 for a minute because we're going to have a good tailwind going down. It's not too bumpy right now. Well, just that speak we whoop, lose my line. Anyways. Any chance on course for 3 Delta Delta?
About to call you back. November 683 Delta Delta, clear direct Mount Pleasant.
Alright, direct Mount Pleasant, 3 Delta Delta. Thank you. Alright. Alright. Navin. Beautiful downtown Greensboro right under the nose right there. Over the UNCG area, I believe. At 23 knots on our tail here at 3,800. Alright, we're going to turn on our autopilot. Did George have it? I can see what chiming. Nothing. I don't know what my iPad chiming. Alright, that's it for now. We'll join you when we get closer to the approach phase. Keep your seatbelt fastened at all times because it's still going to be bumpy.
Descending 11,000 with uniform. Jet A 177 Charles Express, Charles Customer is 2999, expect a visual approach, runway 33.
2999, expect a visual runway 33, thank you, Jet 177.
3 Delta Delta Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles.
Okay, field's in sight. We can go ahead and cancel IFR for 3 Delta Delta.
3 Delta Delta IFR cancellation received. Our services terminated. Clock VFR. Change approved. No traffic observed between you and the airport. Have a good one.
Okay, 3 Delta Delta. Have a good one. It's 10 miles. We're really about 12 miles. Mount Pleasant traffic bearing 683 Delta Delta is about 10 miles to the north inbound for landing runway 35, Mount Pleasant. Alright, you guys see the runway out there at the airport? I'm gonna ease down. Of 100 feet. Those big antennas off to the left, boy. They're humongous. Go into heading mode. Make it over just a little bit to the left so we can enter like on a 45 for the right downwind for runway 35. Mount Pleasant traffic bearing 683 Delta Delta is about 5 miles to the north inbound for landing 35. We're going to enter on a right downwind runway 35, Mount Pleasant. Alright, we're going to go ahead and procedure activate vectors to final. There's 2 to go. Hey, she's bumpy. Hope you guys got your seatbelts on. We're rich with the mixture. Oh, there went my pad. All right. Going nicely. Mount Pleasant traffic, bearing 3 Delta Delta is right downwind, runway 35, Mount Pleasant. Don't see anybody out there. It's so windy, ain't nobody out flying today. Look at that. It's the reversionary button by accident. Alright, we're beam the numbers. Here, 1 notch of flaps, lights coming on. Autopilot's away. Our prop sync off. Mount Pleasant traffic bearing 3 Delta Delta is going to turn right face runway 35, Mount Pleasant. Here comes full flat speed, we'll go ahead and get them. Pleasant traffic, Baron 3 Delta Delta's turning final, runway 35, Mount Pleasant. I had to look down and see if my yaw damp was still on. It felt like it would. Look at this kicking. Alright, 3 green, no red, lights are on, mixture's rich, flaps are full. Everything's done except for the yaw damp. Altitude checks. 3 Delta Delta, short final, runway 35, Mount Pleasant. Wipe my hands so it ain't sweaty. Alright, looking good. Watch out, little birds. Little buzzard down here. Hopefully he moves out of the way. Or hawk.
Minimums.
Out of the way, buddy. Out of the way. There you go. Turn. There you go. Oop, ballooned up a little. Mount Pleasant traffic, 3 Delta Delta is clear the active. Mount Pleasant. Rate trim.
Welcome back. You need anything from us today?
I will get a little bit of fuel. How about let's make it, I'll think about it. Definitely going to get some though.